Hello, scholars. At some point, you may have been taught to write a 5-sentence paragraph. First, a topic sentence, followed by 3 supporting sentences and a conclusion. This structure was a helpful introduction to writing, but in college, the 5-sentence paragraph is much less effective. College writing requires complex thinking and analysis, making it difficult to combine our big ideas neatly into a 5-sentence structure. In this video, I will show you a quick formatting hack you can use to even out your paragraphs and provide your readers with a better flow of information. Let's get started. Once you have written the first draft of your essay, remove all the paragraphs. Start at the top by indenting the first sentence to create your first paragraph. Count 8 lines of text. Lines, not sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look for the end of a sentence and make a new paragraph. Then repeat the process until you reach the end of the essay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If there are sentences dangling at the end of your essay, count the number of sentences you need to adjust. 1, 2, 3. Then go back to the top and add 1 sentence to each paragraph until the dangling sentences fit neatly into a paragraph. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Reread the essay to make sure the changes make sense and adjust wording as needed. Formatting your paragraph is important because it helps your essay flow. It gives the reader a chance to take a breath between thoughts. As you can see in this example, we end with 2 paragraphs with 9 lines and 1 paragraph in the middle with 8 lines. But it's a much more even flow of information. Happy writing!